It is our STS stainless steel corner depalletizer. It's got a hydraulic lift. It's all built of stainless steel. It's got very smooth satin bead blasted finish, suitable for food environments or pharmaceutical. It can pick up a whole range of drums from this L-ring to tight heads to open top drums or even all the Mauser range. So I'll show you how it works. Approach the pallet from the corner. The gripping head goes around the drum. Then we pump this handle at the rear of the unit to lift the drum. This drum is full, so it weighs about 210 kilos. See how easy it is to maneuver? So it's very light. And then once we've gone and pushed it where we want to go, we can lower the drum down to the floor. We release the beak, and away we go.
Looking at our stainless steel side shift depalletizer. This drum lifter is made from stainless steel. The drum lifter is suitable for pharmaceutical and food areas where the unit could potentially get wet or it needs to be used in a clean environment with no paint which could come off into the process. So it's manufactured out of 304 grade stainless steel. The lifter body in the centre is on these two horizontal beams. We can release the lifter body when a drum is raised and move it left and move it right. And what this allows is it allows you to position drums on a pallet in the correct location. So we can lift a drum up on the right hand side of the pallet, slide it over to the left, lock off our lifter body and lower the drum down into position. What we're going to do is we're going to take this blue Mauser drum, which is an open top drum, we're going to lift it up and take it off the pallet and just show you how this machine works. First of all, I'm going to move my lifter slightly to the right to line up with the drum. I'm going to move the whole unit in, straddling the pallet. Position the lifter. I've got the hook above the drum, and I'm going to lower the hook down so it catches onto the top lip of the drum. Once the hook's engaged, I can now pump this handle at the back to raise the drum up. So it's very easy to use, very easy to operate. If needed, I can then slide this to the centre so the unit's balanced, pull the unit back away from the pallet and spin it around. I'm going to push it forward and we'll position it on the floor here just next to the pallet. Here's our lowering handle. So we turn this handle and we can control the descent of the drum. Just place it down on the ground. Once down, we can release our catch, move the unit away, and we're then ready to pick up another drum. The catch on this unit is adjustable, so it can be adjusted for different types of drum, plastic, steel or fiberboard. We're now going to adjust the catch and then pick up a steel drum. We're now looking at the front of the depalletizer. We have our catch here at the front. This can go up or down depending on the different drum heights you need to handle. The unit can handle 50 to 220 litre drums. To adjust the height, we remove the catch pin, lift up the catch off the rack and take it out, and we then move it down to a lower position. Slot it into position and again refit our pin. Once secure, we can then use the depalletizer for smaller, shorter drums. The catch on the drum lifter can handle different drums with different lips on the top edge. You can see at the moment the top hook has quite a lot of overhang, so this is in the setting for a Mauser drum. You can see here different hole positions in the side of this laser plate, and where we put this top hook will affect which different drums we can handle. So I'll put the catch back onto the unit and then set it for a different drum. So I take out this pin and this releases the top hook from the depalletizer. I can then place it back in at a different hole height, re-secure my pin, like so, and now this is in the setting for a steel drum tight head. At the front of the lifter body, at the bottom, there's what we call a kick plate. This plate can be folded down and the purpose of it is to keep drums with straight sides in the vertical position. When loading machinery, where you want the drum to be as vertical as possible, this kick plate keeps the base of the drum pushed out. With other drums, such as Mauser drums, you need to fold this up in order to lift the drum. We'll now pick up this tight head steel drum, push the unit forwards, straddling over the pallet. You can see the whole lifter body is above the pallet and straddles over it because there's clearance beneath the bottom of this lifter body. We can offer this model for going over containment bunds as well. So the whole lifter is raised up and you can place drums into the centre of a containment bund. Now we line up the hook with the drum. We lower down the hook and the bottom toggle will go beneath the top lip of the drum. Once it's positioned, I can see clearly it's attached. Again, pumping the handle, full strokes of the pump. We don't need to lift it very high, just enough to get clearance off the base of the pallet. And again, just pull the unit away. I'm now going to position it in the centre of the lifter, just keep the load balanced and easy to manoeuvre. We'll spin it around again. And we'll then line it up with our blue Mauser drum here, just on the left of it. Lowering it down with our handle. Moving our toggle and pulling the unit away.